What is going on, guys? Jake here again with another review, this time of the Amazetech attachable neck lanyard for the DJI Smart Controller. Now, for those of you DJI Smart Controller owners that don't have any type of neck strap or lanyard or some sort of retention system, you understand how much of a pain it is to actually have to find somewhere clean to put down your $750 controller without getting it dirty. So this is definitely an awesome solution. It's really simple to install, allows you to hang your lanyard around your neck or anything else that you'd like to hang it off of. In the kit, you get this nice adjustable neck strap here. It's actually decently padded. It has a rubberized texture on the back so it won't slide around as much. Nice thick sturdy clips that you can clip onto. And also you get two of these machined screws, the little eyelet screws that you screw into the controller. They come with these rubberized over-tightening stoppers on the back. That way you won't over-tighten the screw into the controller and snap it off, which is fantastic. And then all you do, I'll show you right here, on the bottom of your DJI Smart Controller, there's two ports, one on each side here. That's where you screw those into. And I'll show you what that looks like here. Alright guys, so I went ahead and screwed in the metal eyelets. As you can see, you can position them however you want. This is how I prefer mine to be positioned. And with those rubber stoppers, you can spin it around as much as you want, different areas, without worrying about breaking off the screw. So that's what that looks like. Not much of an additional footprint. And then there is a close-up of what it looks like with the neck strap attached. Now, obviously, you don't have to use the included neck strap, but it is nice to include one, and that it is of really nice quality, surprisingly. And like I said, it is adjustable, so you can adjust it based on your height, how you like to have your controller sitting on your neck. Now, I am a commercial pilot. That's one of my many jobs that I have. And I've used this neck strap on a few different jobs now, and it is fantastic. Like I said, you can leave it hang around your neck. That way, if you have to do something with your hands, talk to a client, anything like that. Nice and sturdy. I have no doubts that this will keep my controller secure, so no worries there. Now, if you guys do have any questions or anything like that, as always, feel free to leave it in the comment box and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, currently, at the time of the video recording, this lanyard system is 10 bucks on Amazon. You can't beat that. If you guys are interested in picking up this Amazetech lanyard system, feel free to use my affiliate link in the box below. It doesn't cost you guys anything extra, and it does give me a small kickback so I can keep bringing you guys content, and it really helps out the channel. Well, I hope you have a good one. As always, like, subscribe. Have a great day. See ya.